See, for the next 3 years, tariff is around 4.88% to 5 rupees, 5 point some percentage,
So around
5.97%.
1.50 will be.
No, it is percentage, 5%. On the average, you can say 5% increase.
But sir, there is an increase in fixed charges, which is quite big. That is going to increase the gross bill.
No, there is domestic wise, if you see, it is hardly some paise. It is 5% only. See, we are very fortunate to have. Yeah, tariff.
Fixed charges.
Yeah, it's put together. Fixed cost and energy charge put together, what we say is around 5%. Right now, for the first year, it is 4.88%.
Category redefined color. What is the reason?
Oh, there is the mandate which came from regulatory. The regulations have changed, and now the categories are like in terms of LD DS1, LD DS2, मागीर HT DS1, HT DS2. पहिले कशें आसतालें डोमेस्टीक, कमर्शियल, इंडस्ट्रियल, टेम्पररी, agriculture allied, agriculture pumps, then military energy services, defense establishment. Around अशें 20 कॅटेगरी आसतात. आतां त्यो शॉर्ट फॉर्म दिला. सो मातशें एक वरस फुडें कंज्युमराक त्रास जाल्ले अंडरस्टँड जावपा वीच इज द कॅटेगरी. बट देन the electricity department is here to clarify and give the proper understanding of the new categories.